want to make money? You want Amazon to pay you back the money that you spend for the products that you already have? Money face. You are making money today because you have spent so much money. So how do we make money through Amazon? Because I have found a formula. And I want to share with you guys, okay? With the products that you have. And the kicker is, you can still do it without spending any more money, because I have another trick for you. So if you are into making money through affiliation, through influencering, these are the steps that I took for me making money. How do we get into the Amazon program, and how do we get to start making money through Amazon? The first thing is sign up for Amazon influencer program. You just sign up your information and you will create a storefront website. You need to have a social media following, at least some Instagram followers, which is like from 5,000 to 10K. After you signed up for that program and you've been approved, the next thing you should do is download Amazon Live, the app. After you have downloaded the Amazon Live app, you go to your Amazon storefront where you will be posting pictures, posting videos of the products that you have. I am sure that you have so many videos, so many pictures of the products that you have. Take those little videos, time-lapse them. Your face does not have to be on those videos. You just have to make those little videos to show that that product works and it works for you. And you started making some money, because the thing is, Amazon pays you in so many ways. Oh, how they pay you? I am one of the people that are getting paid through Amazon. So let me just show you how you can get paid through Amazon. I have signed up for Wahool. They actually work with the brands that are on Amazon. Wahool send the products to us because we are their influencer. So this is the trick in it. You can work for Amazon by yourself, buy your product, do the live stream, do the videos, edit, and do all the stuff, and you get your commission. Or you can work under another brand that works with Amazon so that you can get free Amazon products to talk about on Amazon, to get paid by Amazon. The good thing is, Wahool pays you for that live stream. So you get, Amazon pays you for that, Wahool pays you for that. And another one, the little brands that want to work with you come in to pay you for that. So you have 3 ways to make money through Amazon with Wahool. I do have a link to invite you influencer. There are requirements to apply to become an influencer for Wahool. These are the requirements. 1, be part of the Amazon influencer program. If you don't have an Amazon account but still are interested, please try to apply. It takes 2 minutes, guys, to apply. You must be currently residing in the US. Speak English, ladies and gentlemen. And you have to own a computer, an iPhone, iPad, something that can do live streaming for you. And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to go extra, you can use OBS. That is a streaming software. You can use the live Amazon app on the phone. That is also good. So you can use good cameras that I'm using right now and talking to you guys. The first live stream is usually your products that you have at home. You talk about the products because they want you to feel comfortable about the products. And then when you have done your first live stream, Wahool now gets to send you the products that you are interested in. And when you have this product, this is when you do your business. This is where you have your fun. You take pictures, take time lapse, make it pretty, put it on Amazon, and Amazon does its business. But you can also increase your engagement, or you can increase the amount of people viewing these videos by sharing it on your social medias. Yes, share it on Pinterest, share it on TikTok, share it on Instagram, share it on your YouTube channel like this, ladies and gentlemen. All I'm saying is, when you make money, I make money. When I make money, you make money. We are doing this, people. people. So why not get paid by people that want you to talk about the products that you actually love? Watch this video, learn from this. Go get these information that you need to do. Guys, the links below, please don't take it lightly. Get started so that you can start making money while you sleep, because that's the idea, and that is my dream as a child. To always wake up with this idea. What to do today? I have so much money in my account. So let's make money while we sleep. And invest those money. Invest that money, please. Yes, invest that money so that you can wake up in 10 years, 20 years and say, honey, bring me coffee. I want to just sleep in bed. I'm not going to work. That's the dream. I'm hoping that you strive for it. That's why you're watching these videos. If you love videos like this, because I think I'll be creating more of these type of videos so we can make some money. Because I am. I'm gonna leave you guys with this. Go with God, go with love. Peace out. My check. Testing testicles. Testing testicles.